What am I doing? Dear Tabby, why does my cat sound like a typewriter when he sees a bird? Signed, Cindy. Well, hey, Cindy, a typewriter, you say? You know, the young folk don't even know what a typewriter is. We all know cats love bird watching. In fact, it might be their most favorite pastime ever. And as for why your cat sounds like a typewriter, that is a tough one. Either he was a typewriter in a past life, or as one theory suggests, cats experience a rush of adrenaline when they spot a bird, and this can cause them to chatter and chirp. For even more Dear Tabby Q&A, head on over to worldsbestcatlitter.com.